Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Leah Garvey. In today's vlog, I am going to repot my peace lily, and that means I have to separate the babies from the mother, and we are going to propagate it. If you haven't known, peace lily has got a lot of roots in it, and it's all tangled inside and makes it difficult to separate. Okay, so I'm not gonna do it here because it's a very messy job. I have to go and do it at the back of our house. I always use a premium potting mix, and also I use blood and bone to mix it with a potting mix, which is good. It helps the plant to establish quickly and grows nice and healthy. By giving them a good start, they produce flowers all the time. I've seen quite a lot of peace lily for sale. Sometimes that doesn't have much of a flower in it. That's because it's lacking of something. So this one I have here, as you can see, it has got a lot of flowers in it, which is good, and that's why I wanna give them a good start so that they will survive. Give them a good start, you know, and chance of survival. And to those new in my channel, hope you like these videos and subscribe to my channel. You can leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. If you have any ideas also, or you have other things to share in regards to gardening and propagating, please comment below. Thank you so much, guys. So we're gonna have a look of how many little pups we can get out of this. and I managed to separate 10 peace lily, including the mother. And that's my vlog for today. Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like this video. If you do, please give me a like and leave a comment below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I invite you guys to subscribe to my channel. Some of my vlogs are traveling around here in the far north Queensland with my family, my husband and my daughter. I also uploaded some family vlogs. Thanks for watching guys, and see you all next time. Bye!